Hey there! Get ready to turn heads and bring laughter to any Halloween party with the Mr.Ma rich inflatable costume for adults, designed as a quirky purple eggplant mascot. This hilarious costume is perfect for those who love to stand out and make a bold statement with its vibrant color and unique design. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and comfort, allowing you to party all night long without a hitch. The inflatable feature makes it easy to wear and take off, while the built-in fan keeps the costume fully inflated and you feeling cool. Whether you're attending a costume party, participating in a parade, or just having fun with friends, this costume guarantees endless fun and photo opportunities. So, embrace your playful side and become the life of the party with this unforgettable inflatable ensemble. Don't miss the chance to make this Halloween a memorable one with the Mr.Ma rich purple eggplant costume. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.